just pulled up at our hotel, the Westin. Oh my word, what a long day travelling, but this is epic, man. This is so cool.
It's midnight, our bodies are on midnight.
It's 7:15 midnight UK time.
It's 7:15 here.
The Times Eatery. Let's go check in. Let's go try get an upgrade. That is the foundry there, that's the bar. You go down those stairs, I'll show you. Go down those stairs there, and that's where breakfast is served each day. This is the little bar area.
Thank you.
We have you here for 7 nights, checking out on Thursday, 8 to 7.
Yeah. These elevators operate from floors 23 to 45. On the other side, they do from floor 1 to 25. We're staying on the 44th floor. Oh my god, holy shit!
Look at the fucking Empire State Building!
Oh my word. Okay, we've just got to our hotel, the Westin. We spoke to the guy downstairs. We said we just got married on Monday, and look at what he's done. I've turned the lights off so you can see. Have a look at this. This is our room. This is our bathroom. You might be wondering why the lights are turned off, and that's because this is our view from the bathroom. Is that the Hudson there? I think that might be the Hudson. Like, what on earth? This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is it now.
It's lovely!
This is the main room. Okay. This is the view from the bedroom, but that's not even it. That is not even it. Look. Just the Empire State Building there. Look at this. My word, look at this. Into the door in the Westin Times Square, room 4439. You start with the restroom. View out the window is absolutely insane. Shower, fantastic. Then you come through to the bedroom. All the dials on the wall for the temperature. That's actually really good as well. Like, it works in this hotel. Bedside table, nice fitted wardrobe.
Safe.
Safe.
The mini bar's not in use.
And then
Iron board.
Mr. Coffee.
With an automatic whip.
The view from this room is also insane. Oh man. Big TV. Huge bed. I mean, there's a case. There's my bag. There's my hand just for scale. It's huge. That's where I've been editing the videos. Another bedside table. Little chair. That was where my bag lived. View from this window. Insane. And then probably the best view. Times Square down there. Empire State behind these clouds here. You really can't see that today. H&M, Yahoo, Hard Rock's just there, Taco Bell's just there. That amazing little taco place is just down there. This is the Harry Potter thing here. Dave and Buster's, you know, all that good stuff. Some crypto adverts there. But this was the room, this was the Westin, just off Times Square. Like I said, just off Times Square, that's Times Square. Couldn't recommend this hotel highly enough. The staff, the room, the location, everything is just absolutely perfect.
There. These the people.